Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and get started buying NVIDIA stock at Saxo. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Saxo website right here, home.saxo if you've not already, and once you have done so, you're going to be greeted by the home page. If you're using it on your mobile phone, you can just go ahead and open up the App Store and from there search for the application. So once you found it and installed it, you can go ahead and open it up, and the process now is going to go the same. Doesn't matter if you're using the web version of the mobile application. Once you go ahead and open up the main page, you're going to need to do first things first is to go ahead and create an account. If you do not already have an account, you need to go ahead and open an account, as you're going to need it to be able to buy stocks. If you have one, just go ahead and log in normally. So after logging in and opening it up, this is what it's going to look like. From here we can get started. You're going to have the search bar right here that's going to enable you to search for the NVIDIA stock. So we can use it to search for NVIDIA. So type out NVIDIA and take a look at what it is going to offer us, and then we can go ahead and open up the market section right here. And from here, as you can see, you have trading at the top of the screen that's going to enable you to open up the market section and take a look at NVIDIA Corp. From here we can get started. Here you're going to go ahead and be able to take a look at the charts and the prices, everything you need. And as you can see, once you go ahead and create an account and log in, you are going to see the trade button that's going to enable you to get started purchasing the stocks or selling it if you already have it in your portfolio. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.